What the
welcome
hell? Bro.
back to my YouTube channel. So, hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, again, I have a very special friend of mine joining my video virtually. Her name is Jheel, and we are doing the yes or no challenge. So, wherein we're going to ask each other questions, and if we can firstly only answer with a yes or a no, and if we answer it incorrectly, then we have to do a dare. So, suppose I answer the question wrong, so she gets to give me a dare. I am pretty scared about this one, but I'm not gonna waste more of your time. So let's just go meet her and let's see what she has to say about this whole video.
Okay, guys, so I'm gonna call her in now. So 3, 2, 1. Jeel, come in.
Okay, we're wearing the same thing. Jokes apart.
Okay, guys, I sort of had a feeling she would because we have been waiting to wear this together, but I didn't know it would be today,
Same.
but okay, this is
I
and
think it's
this is
perfect.
there's some sort of telepathy going on my channel because like previous two videos, I mean you can see it were on telepathy, but okay, we'll just hop on to the video now. Okay, so
Yeah.
you can go with the first question.
Oh, you want me? Okay. Um, have we been friends for 9 years now?
9 years. Okay.
That's your question.
No,
Are you
not nine
sure?
years. We've known each other for
Oh,
9 years. Oh no, no, we have fourth grade. Yes, yes,
no,
yes,
no, that
yes.
was your first
I just
answer. Your
calculated.
first
Shut
answer
up.
was no.
I said yes.
Your first.
Before you said yes or no, I told my answer. Yes, we have. We have.
Okay. I think
Yeah.
that's what we met in fourth grade, and
Yeah.
then till 12th, if you count, it's 9 years.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm happy. Okay, now I'll tell my question.
Okay.
So on graduation, on like in our 10th grade graduation, our sitting
Uh-huh.
arrangement, it was Nishita, me, you, Dhriti.
No.
Oh, guess what? You're wrong. I was
Bro,
so nervous.
Mishita was sitting next to me. I remember.
No.
Yeah. Bro,
Get ready
okay,
with your
bro.
first date.
Yep. I'm
Okay, you
ready.
sort of,
Let's see.
I mean, we made up our mind that of course we'll have a little makeup things ready. So I'm sure you do you?
Yep, I think I have them ready, but I'm
Do you
scared
have
now.
a lipstick there or blush or anything?
Ah, yeah, I think I have lipstick. Yeah, I
Which
do.
color? It is reddish.
It is red itself.
Okay, you have to make a Rudolph nose throughout the video.
Bro, are you kidding? This is not. Okay, you wait for your dare, bro, now.
Okay, do it fast. We don't have time. Turn.
I
What's the
think.
next question?
So my next question is, have I ever made you a card for your birthday?
Oh my God.
Yeah, let's see. This looks gross, but okay.
I don't think so. No.
You're right. Bro, you're the only one who's made me a card with Zayn Malik's picture because I remember that so well. Oh god, bro, this is not fair.
So you've never given me a card. Guys, are you listening to that? Okay, we will just
She's
move
given me
on.
one card.
So it's better than nothing.
Okay, bro. I'll make you a card next time. You wait and watch.
Okay. Okay, now. So when we were in Goa, we went to a church, you remember? Okay, we went to many, but did we have strawberry candy? Like ice cream
Yes,
candy? No,
yes.
Jameel, no, you're so
Bro, we had ice cream. Bro, it
We
was
had
right there.
orange candy. It's a small twist. We didn't have strawberry candy. We had orange candy, dear. Okay.
If you're giving me a makeup related stuff, I'll slap you.
Oh, we're not meeting anytime soon, buddy. But anyways, my dad is ready. You have a mascara close to you?
You realize I don't use mascara.
Okay, eyeliner, kajal, mascara would be cuter, but we can try something.
What's the dare you tell me?
What do you have?
Eyeliner.
You gotta make a small mush, by the way.
What?
It can be a small, those I'm not sure, Italian type. Anything actually, your wish. Small is
Bro, this
fine.
is not. You're making me look gross from the starting of the video, Kanishka.
That's there. I'm doing pretty well. Both
Bro,
ways.
this is not fair, bro.
Okay, your turn. What's your question?
Have I watched after 12 times? This is the most difficult question because no one knows how many times I've watched after.
Okay, guys, After is her all-time favorite movie. Like, it's amazing, but she loves it to a next level. So she's very capable, but she's capable of watching more than 12 also. I just might be wrong here. I'll go with yes, you have. But you didn't mention exactly 12, so it can be 12 or more. So yes, you have.
Bro, I said, have I watched after 12 times? You said yes. No, I haven't watched it for 12 times. I've watched it for more than 15 times. That will be
So,
like 17 or
which means
something.
you've already watched it 12 times.
Bro, this is not a trick question. Don't even try to trick me into this. God. Okay,
Okay,
so you're
got it.
there. This is gonna be the best dare ever. You just got your eyebrows done, okay? You have to make a unibrow, or you have to ask someone else to make it. It should be visible. Like it should be.
I'm not doing that.
That's for making me draw this stupid thing on my face.
Okay, just so you know, I haven't really got my kajal.
Just use something, but it should be dark enough.
Bro, shut up,
And
bro.
it should
Dark
be
and all. I told you to make small. You made such a big one to look like a fool.
no. Dark enough. It should be dark.
I'm using
Bro,
a
can I
mascara.
remove?
No? Look at what you're making me do.
Wow, Kans, you look amazing.
Yeah, you look pretty too, huh? I don't know why I
Bro,
sign up
can
for
I
these things.
remove? Can I
No.
remove
Okay,
it,
my
please?
next question.
Okay.
Okay. Did I bake anything today?
Bro, how would I know that?
It's a
Bro,
pretty
how would I
simple
know?
question, though. If you knew me very well, you would know this answer.
Yes.
Yeah, you're right. Guys, she knows me.
I think one answer was right from all the three questions. Okay.
Okay, your turn.
Let's think. Do we have three Polaroids together?
How the hell are these? Yeah, we do.
No, we don't.
You didn't send both of us alone. It was you, me, Mishika.
Bro,
We had
we
three,
have
three.
two Polaroids together. I meant together. Just shut up. We have
Okay.
two. One is with you and one is with me. I know that much.
Okay.
Okay. What there is, you have to wrap your face with duct tape. Like not your nose and eyes, like here and your forehead.
Bro,
Your
shut
forehead,
up.
nose, and your chin.
I'm not hiding my
Get
face
any?
for the video.
You have to. Duh, this is not there. You just made me look like a joker for your video.
But I'm leaving it there for you. I'm not doing anything else. Okay, my question is it? I'm looking so cute. I'm just kidding. Okay. Have I won third place in a back race all over India?
I knew you play a back kiss. I mean, you know how to do it, but I don't know if you won or not. Bro, this is very annoying.
Think. Okay, I look so funny.
This might even be a trick question. You could have come fourth or second or first also.
And what if I came third?
But what if you came second?
Okay, that's for you to think, not for me to think.
Bro, give me a clue, please.
No, look at what you got my face into.
Look at what you got my face into.
Okay, fast.
No.
Okay, I came second. Fine. Your
I'm
turn.
so happy. I think okay, I got this. Okay, now your question is,
Hmm.
have I got 3 medals for a race in school?
Yeah,
Yeah?
you've run.
Okay. No, I haven't. I've got
Ran
one
got
medal.
3. You used to run. Why did you run? So useless you are.
But I've got one medal. Second place. That also in second grade, second place
You're so
for
useless.
relay.
Question is, did I wash my, like before washing my hair today, did I apply oil?
Kanishka, bro, how am I supposed to know that I didn't talk to you in the morning asking you whether you applied oil?
Yes or no?
Bro, I can't do another damn.
Yes or no?
Someone's helping me, but okay.
Who the hell? Are you messaging someone right now? I don't think I tell this to anyone that I wash my hair, oil my hair. Okay, I think I do.
No.
I am so sorry.
So you can get out of my room right now. So I'm out of my
Did
room.
you actually ask Swayam about this answer? What makes you think I tell him all this?
Bro.
Next, there is you need to get atta.
Kanishka, no. Kanishka, no. Your before my dare was that. No, you're not changing it. Sorry. No.
You're not
No.
eating it. It's gonna be on your face. That's it. Once. Bye, Jeel. Okay, guys, she's here with us. 3, 2.
Bro, wait. Not happening.
It
like
has
this.
to be properly on your nose, your cheeks, and all. Huh? Forehead, nose, cheeks, chin. So make sure it happens like.
This is not fair at all, but 1, 2, okay. Bro. I'm going to cover my mustache with this.
Yeah, you look hilarious. Okay, now guys, this brings us to the end of the video. You all can see the kind of things we've done.
Yeah, especially me. Especially me.
The unibrow,
No,
bro, your Rudolph is already hidden.
everything is hidden except this atta on my face.
Yeah, that's great.
Okay.
Okay, fine. I think we did pretty bad. I mean, the dares part were good, but we didn't really answer the questions right, clearly.
Yeah, it was bad.
But I think this video was pretty fun. I feel you had fun.
Yup, obviously.
Okay, guys. So I've been waiting to do a video with her. Like we've been friends for like I know 9 years now. But
Yeah, now
yeah,
you
it's been a
remember
hell of a
9
trip.
years.
But anyways, um, y'all will see us more often on this channel. But before that, I'm gonna link down her Instagram and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and on my Triller account. Guys, finally, don't forget to like,
Comment
share,
and subscribe. Okay.
bye.
Bye.